Welcome! In this video, we will show you using WinderCam DE.
WinderCam now lets you work with two different machine kinematics, a 4-axis winder with a controlled layout head and a simplified 3-axis machine with two types of layout systems.
Let's start on the machine page. Here, you simply choose the kinematic scheme that matches your winder and enter the same parameters values your hardware uses.
First, we select the 4-axis machine.
The roller rotating the pat roller lets you control the orientation of the tape.
So, if your real machine has such a 4-axis payout, you simply select it and WinderCam would generate toolpaths for this real equipment.
Let's load one of the demo projects from the example section, for instance, a cylindrical pressure vessel.
In the Mandrel tab, you see the geometry of the liner, and in Layers, you define how many layers you want, the winding angle, and the tape width.
We start the calculation, and WinderCam generates the motion for this 4-axis scheme. In the 3D view, you can clearly see the mandrel spinning, the carriage moving along the axis, and the payout head rotating to orient the tape.
Once you've checked the pattern in motion, you can export the result and use it as input for your CNC controller.
Now, let's see how the same project looks on a 3-axis machine. Back on the machine page, we switch to the 3-axis scheme.
With the 3-axis option, WinderCam offers two payout configurations. The first one uses a roller holder that self-aligns under tension.
The second option uses a fixed arc as the last element of the tape path.
The arc is fixed to the dispensing arm. The tape self-aligns on this arc due to tension.
Let's first recalculate the same demo project with a self-aligning roller holder.
If the inner radius of the arc equals the radius of the circle traced by the roller, the tape motion on the mandrel is identical, but the arc is mechanically much simpler and easier to maintain.
In other words, with WinderCam, you choose the scheme you actually have in your workshop, 4-axis with a controlled payout head, or a simplified 3-axis with either a self-aligning roller or a fixed arc. Then you enter your real machine parameters and let the software generate the trajectories.
And thanks to the built-in demo projects, you can start experimenting in minutes. Load a sample, pick your kinematics, adjust the parameters, and see the winding result immediately in your browser.
If you want to bring your filament winding process from mandrel geometry to machine-ready motion quickly and clearly, give WinderCam DE a try to do the winding math for you.